Hey guys, this is Bharadwaj with Fonearena.com and this is the Dell Venue 8 7000 series tablet, a really high-end premium tablet developed by Dell in partnership with Intel, running on Android of course. So this tablet is powered by the Intel Atom Z3580 processor, which is really capable and high-end and also incorporates the RealSense depth sensing camera, a demo of which we had shown you from the Mobile World Congress. So this tablet, a really thin and svelte looking tablet, has an interesting design, and in this video we are going to take a look at what the box contents are and a closer look at the tablet to see what it's like. So let's go ahead into the unboxing and a first look at the Dell Venue 8 7000 series. So this is the pretty uninspiring retail box that we have here, but that doesn't matter because the device inside is pretty inspiring in terms of design. As you can see from the image itself, practically no bezels on the sides and the top, but there is one indeed at the bottom. But it's also extremely thin, as we had seen at the Mobile World Congress show floor. So I'm pretty excited to unbox this device, but of course as a custom we have to check out the quick highlights here. So the model is 7840, it's the 16 gigabyte model, Wi-Fi version, there is no mobile internet here. 8.4 inch screen, OLED Full HD display, that's what they say, but it's actually 2560 by 1600. It's a OLED display indeed, and runs on Android pretty much. That is the entire thing here. So let's take a look at the device right away. The box is pretty hard to open, but I'm just gonna push from the top, and there you go. That's the tablet. Wow, that's extremely thin. So it's apparently 6 millimeters thin, and it's one of the thinnest tablets in the world. It's covered in plastic here, so let's quickly take that out and marvel at the design here. You may have already seen a lot of pictures of this, and also we had shown you this video that we had shot. It's entirely made of metal and glass, and you can see that it's got some impressive technology at the back too. The RealSense depth sensing camera. Over at the front you have the 8.4 inch screen with very thin bezels on the sides and the top, and there is indeed the bottom panel which has the front facing camera and the speakers. So over at the left you have the microphone and the lock switch and the volume rockers, while at the right you have nothing but a micro SD card slot. Now moving to the top you have nothing again, and moving to the bottom you have the micro USB port and the 3.5mm audio jack that's not visible. So again we are moving to the back to see the RealSense depth sensing camera and a beautiful metal build that's got a matte finish, and you also have the Dell and the Intel Inside logo there. So that's about it for a quick hardware overview of the tablet. A really stunning looking tablet, we must say. So let's switch it on. Hopefully it should have some juice left. Yes, it does. And we will take a look at the minimalistic box contents here. Shouldn't be many. So there you have it, just the USB data transfer cable that is also used for charging. And of course you have quick start guides and some more booklets for safety and warranty and whatnot. So that's about it for the box contents here. Now let's go back to the gorgeous tablet. As you can see right away, it looks great. The display especially looks really great. It's got the OLED screen, and it's got the resolution of 2560 by 1600. It's a pentile display in case you didn't know. So anyway, let's quickly skip through the setup and show you what the device is actually like. And there you go, that's the stunning display at play here. I'm not sure if you can notice, but the display actually has a parallax effect right now and uses the sensors to give a 3D depth. But yes, this is the display fully powered on. It's kind of awkward to use because of the Android UI not being optimized for it, but the resolution is indeed pretty good, and it's running on Android 4.4.4 KitKat in case you didn't know. So this is the basic home screen setup, and nothing much in terms of software because there is not much of a change here. There are quite a few tweaks, but the rest of the software is pretty clean and it's almost stock. Even if you get Android 5.0 lollipop, it will still remain stock. On paper, generally this is a good consumption device, but what makes it stand out is of course the inclusion of the RealSense depth sensing camera. This could mean good things for augmented reality, and depth sensing is generally a trend that we are seeing in the mobile industry anyway. So you can see that there are three feeds here. One is the main feed, which I am covering with my finger right now, and there are the two alternate feeds which I can cover with my fingers if needed. So these are the two depth sensing cameras. So basically if I close that, you can see that one is not visible and it glows in red because it's supposed to sense depth. So when it is not able to, it will glow in red. So I just try to close the other camera. But yes, this is the main USP of this tablet apart from the striking design and the thinness. So Intel has partnered with Dell for including the RealSense technology here, and they are betting on it heavily. So we'll see how it goes, but this definitely seems like a good carrier for that technology. As you can see, the build quality, the design, and everything that you expect from a premium tablet is indeed here with the addition of extra technology indeed. So yes, this is the Dell Venue 8 7000 series tablet. We'll be bringing you more information on this, but this is about it right now. Thanks for watching this video. Do hit a like button if you like this, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already for more videos like these. Let us know what you think in the comment section below.